Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade sales strategies with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your sales strategies using LinkedIn, start by optimizing your profile. Ensure your profile picture is professional and approachable. Craft a compelling headline that clearly states your value proposition. Write a persuasive summary that highlights your expertise and unique selling points. Integrate relevant keywords into your summary and experiences for better visibility. Next, grow your network by connecting with industry professionals and potential leads. Join LinkedIn groups relevant to your niche to expand your reach and engagement. Engage with content by commenting thoughtfully on posts from your connections and within groups. Share valuable articles or insights related to your industry to position yourself as a thought leader. Use LinkedIn's advanced search feature to identify potential leads based on your target criteria. Send personalized connection requests to introduce yourself and express genuine interest. Once connections are established, nurture relationships through direct messaging. Offer insights or resources without a hard sell to build trust. Leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator for more advanced lead generation options. Use InMail to reach out to prospects that are not in your network. Create and share case studies or success stories to demonstrate your results. Encourage satisfied clients to provide recommendations on your profile. Monitor engagement metrics to understand what content resonates with your audience. Continuously refine your approach based on these insights to improve your outreach strategy. Invest time in building and maintaining relationships for long-term success. Stay consistent and active to keep your presence strong on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.